Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about another topic. I want to share with you what really pisses me off, and it's the dirtness on my motorbike, because I drive a lot at night, and all these flies and mosquitoes and everything, they literally just want to attack you in your forehead, and in a couple of days it becomes really dirt. And yes, I want to show this thing because it's really annoying, and I will clean it up. So let's go. Guys, this is what I'm talking about. It is dirt as fuck, and all this stuff really annoys me.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need